Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I am your host Nitin and I am back again with one fantastic recipe. It's going to be a chicken recipe. It's going to be from north of India, predominantly done in Punjab, and versions of these recipes are available in every Indian restaurant menu across the globe. So what is it? Before I tell you what it is, and it's going to be delicious chicken curry, thick curry kind of a recipe. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you press that red button to subscribe and grow this foodie community. Press the thumb icon to like our recipes and press the bell icon so you get an instant notification whenever we do fantastic videos like this. And if you are new to the channel, check out the whole channel. We got some travel videos, restaurant review, hotel reviews, international recipes, Indian recipes, kebabs, curries, all simplified, which you can easily try at home. So what we are going to do today is going to be the kadai chicken or chicken kadai. In Punjab, in Pakistan, the kadai or the vessel in which chicken is cooked, it is served in that vessel. So we're going to do a simpler version of it. It's just chicken cooked along with onions and spices very rustically, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So let's see what all we need for chicken kadai. So we'll start our kadai chicken with 800 grams of, this is chicken leg pieces cut into curry cut. We need around 600 grams of onion which is finely chopped. So that's also ready. Now it's time to make the actual masala for the chicken kadai. So these are the dry spices. So in this recipe we are not using powder spices. We'll start with some coriander seed around 2 tablespoons, some cumin around 1 tablespoon, ajwain a teaspoon, 5 to 6 red chilies, dried ones. Then we have javitri, we have star anise, few bay leaves, then cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamom. All of them we will add to blender. Into the same blender now we will add around 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger and 2 green chilies. So this is the paste which is going to bring that kadai taste. Now we will add around 1 tomato which has been diced, half a capsicum which has been diced, and some stalks of coriander, fresh coriander. It's also called dhaniye ke dantal, and make a fine paste out of all of this. So our kadai is hot. You need to take nice thick bottom kadai. We will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it and around 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you wish, you can make it in completely ghee as well, but I like using both. Now first thing which goes into it is chopped onions. You need to fry this onion till they are nice and golden, and then we will add the other ingredients. So let us add some salt which will help the onion browning quickly. While the onions are cooking, let me show you the masala. We did it in the grinder. So this needs to be a consistency nice and smooth so that all the khada masalas and the ginger, garlic, tomatoes, capsicum, everything gets into a nice smooth paste. So we'll keep it aside. We will add it at later stage. So our onions are starting to get brown now. It's time to add the chicken and brown it along with the onions. So let us add the chicken pieces one by one to kadai. Now fry this really well at high heat along with the onions. So this technique of cooking meat along with onion and spices in kadai, it's called bhunaving the meat or bhuna, and that is what the essence in this recipe. Now it's time to add the masala that we made, and we will fry it along with our chicken. Wow, as soon as that masala hits the pan, there is a superb aroma. So we have added little bit of water to the same blender in which we blended the masala, and we are adding it to this. Wow, that looks delicious. Now you have to cook this like this for around 5 minutes till the masala starts to leave the oil. Then we will cover and cook the chicken. So our masalas are cooked, it started to leave oil. It's time to add around 2 tablespoons of fresh curd or dahi. And mix it quickly. Now it's time to add some petals of onion and capsicum. Mix it along with chicken. We will add very little water and cover and cook this on a small flame for around 15 to 17 minutes till the chicken is cooked and the masalas are cooked along with it. Wow, our delicious chicken kadai is ready and it looks bubbling and tasty. Now let us finish it off with some kasuri methi to enhance its flavor. So like always, take the kasuri methi between your palms, give it a good rub and then add it to the chicken kadai. This releases flavor. Also we will add little bit of chopped coriander to it and give it a mix, and we are ready to serve. So delicious chicken kadai is ready. So that was super delicious chicken kadai or kadai chicken. It's ready, it looks tempting, and let us taste and see how is it. The aroma has filled the room, so it's going to be very delicious. So that was very delicious, very rustic flavors. If you notice, we have not used any powdered spices. So this is in a way a very different recipe, but very tasty. So you must try for your family and friends. If you are new to the channel, make sure you press that red button to subscribe. If you like this recipe, press that thumb icon. We are uploading this on FB platform also. You can like us there as well. Press the bell icon for instant notification. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy cooking.